We will install the driver before using the USB data cable. The data cable must not be plugged in for this purpose. We insert the Almemo CD. A drive message appears which we click on. From the following menu we run CD Start. The menu of the CD appears and we select the language English. We click on Driver for data cable USB. We click on Install. We confirm that we want to install the driver, click on Next and on Finish. Now the cable can be plugged in. We plug the Almemo connector into socket A1 and the USB connector to a free USB port of the PC. This completes the installation of the data cable.